Father's Day, Daddy. Naamoy music. Ayun, letter ni Zoe. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Ate Zoe.
Z, look at Daddy, Daddy. Z, look at Daddy.
Wow. Thank you, Daddy.
Look, Daddy's Hazel and Ryan for lunch. Daddy is so workaholic. What's that? Legend Daddy. Family certified Legend Daddy. And the last gift. Ay!
Yung plant.
Ito, sa ilalim ng mug.
Sa ilalim ng mug, Daddy. Mug mo din,
May pag-ayos pa tayo. May pag-aayos ng halaman. This one, sa ilalim ng mug.
Yung mug po, tapos yung sa ilalim.
That's from Zuri's.
Yun.
Sweet
Let's
fun.
go. What's that?
Sweet. Oh, kay Daddy, kay Daddy, kay Daddy.
Card.
It's a card?
What's that? What's that? Sweet father. Zalea is sleeping upstairs. Parang dito mo lang siya bubuksan sa harap.
Hindi.
Ito lang, pinahirapan niya sarili.
Nakalak. Ang dalawa yan.
Diyan lang yan sa harap.
Hindi, siya mo. Wow! Ang ganda! Is this a keychain? Wow!
Ano yung keychain? Ano yung
Keychain to?
Ay, tapos kanila yung keychain.
Oh, ang ganda ng keychain ng Daddy.
Open it, open it, open it.
Wow! Yan, tignan mo yung nasa keychain.
What's that?
Zalea, Zila, Zoe.
Ang ganda.
Give it to Daddy. Open it, Daddy.
Oh, paano ito bubuksan? Para
May
siya
nakalagay
naka-frame.
press. Ayan na,
Push.
press. Ay, push.
Push. Wow. Wow. Ang
May
ganda.
picture kami, Daddy.
Ang galing.
Tapos may name pa
May
Canada.
keychain na si Daddy. Dapat dalawa. Dalawa keychain ni Daddy.
Look at the names. Put it down. Look at the names. It's Zoe, Zalea, and Zilus. Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
Ang galing.
Happy Father's Day, your
Look at
three
our names,
kids.
Daddy.
Hey, Zino.
Daddy, look at our names.
Wala, may bumakat na fingerprint.
Ano yan? Napupunasan.
Hindi eh.
Oh?
Parang
Happy?
Parang upon printing na hawakan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Happy. Thank you so much.
Daddy, can you borrow?
Thank
Oh,
you so
sama
much.
nyo. Picture kayo dun
Thank
kasama
you so
yung ano, yung t-shirt. Kasama yung t-shirt. Go, picture with Daddy.
Daddy, ano flavor na ito?
What do you
Chocolate
think?
po.
What do you think?
Saan kaya ito ilalagay?
Chocolate.
Sa bag.